Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please share, like, and subscribe, and click to the bell icon.
Please, do you have a little bit of food or water? Please, do you have any food?
Are you alright?
Thank you. Please, do you have any food? Here is some food for you. Thank you. Look what I brought for you.
Yay! Yay! Chips are here!
Here is one for you. Eat up, little ones. Tata, children. Everyone in the market is getting sick. Their stomachs. What is happening? Oh God, my stomach hurts so much. Jesus, please help them. Save them from this sickness. If you want to get healthy, not sick, believe in me. I will forgive you. If you believe in me, I will get healthy. You are just a crazy old man. Please forgive us. If you believe in me, you will be healthy. Please heal her. Give her strength. Huh?
This remedy will help her. There, you are getting stronger. Calm down, young man. She is going to be fine.
Thank Lord you make us healthy. I bless you now.